It's no secret that a Memphis Wood Fire Grill can cook some of the tastiest food to ever hit your plate. Our grills work a little differently from your standard gas or charcoal grill. We utilize 100% natural wood pellets to produce unparalleled flavor and cooking power. Here's a quick tour on how it works. The wood pellets are poured into the hopper, which are then dispensed into the cooking chamber on demand. The one-touch intelligent temperature control system lets you set your cooking temperature and then automatically maintains it just like an indoor oven. Thanks to the 1 or 2 fans built into every model, Memphis Grills are also true convection ovens. The intake air is ingested, heated over the wood, creating flavor-producing smoke and flame, and then circulated throughout the cooking chamber. Grill chamber design and advanced engineering combine to create even circulation of heat. No rotisserie is needed. The digital food probe measures the internal temperature of your food, ensuring that your masterpiece is done to perfection. And there you have it. Amaze your friends, family, and neighbors with the taste difference on